Open it up.
Okay, I'm going to do yellow. Hiram's going
Separate them out in a group.
Hiram's going to do green.
I'll do it.
Anna's doing pink, and Seth will be doing blue, since he already chose it for me. So I had to take yellow because it was Seth he got a yellow. Give it to me.
I want a blue. Okay, there's only 2 more. Only 3 more. Okay, I got mine pink.
Okay, let's start counting.
1, 2.
No, hold on. Let's count quiet so that we don't mess each other up. Maybe you could stack them.
Okay. Okay, help Zach count now. Let's count, Zach.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, 15 green ones. 15.
14, 15. I have 15. I have 15.
2,
Seth had 15.
4,
I have 15.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Let's build the Lego world.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
No, she counted
No,
one
she
twice.
didn't. She counted
What?
it right.
What?
16.
How? Everyone has 15 except her.
So what does that mean?
What else is there?
What do you think, Seth?
Can we eat them?
Not yet. What do you guys think?
Is it a girl or a boy?
Which one has the... Lydia, you have a little sister coming.
Wait, now can we eat them? Now can we eat them?
Put them all back in and mix them up.
No, I don't want to mix them up.
Yeah, because everyone gets some of every color. Okay.
Yeah, but
Now, I'm going to give the extra one to Lydia because she's just going to eat one. You get a sister.
Is that the sister? I can eat it.
Okay, now everyone can take 4 or 3 of each color first.
1,
1,